If you want to delete your Prezi account, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. This is a simple tutorial, but it's always important to double check before deleting an account, because once you confirm, your account access and data may be removed depending on Prezi's policy. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, navigate to your main Prezi account settings page. You'll want to make sure you're signed in to the correct account before going any further, especially if you use more than one email address. Once you're on the account settings page, look for the Profile tab. You may see it along the top of the page or in the side menu, depending on the layout Prezi is showing at the moment. Click on the Profile tab to open your account profile settings. After that, scroll through the options until you locate the button on the right side labeled Delete Account. This is the option you need in order to begin the account removal process. Once you find it, select Delete Account. Prezi may show you a warning message or ask you to review what happens next, so read that carefully before continuing. This is your final chance to make sure you really want to proceed. If you're certain you want to delete the account, click the final confirmation button to complete the process. Depending on the system, this may ask you to verify your decision one more time, and that is completely normal. After you confirm, your Prezi account deletion request should be submitted. At that point, you can sign out and you're done. So that's how to delete a Prezi account step by step. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another app or website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.